Swing out, swing out. Oh, you mean? Knee drop. Such a waste, man.
No, I think you're supposed to do that.
Oh, that's a sloth. That's a sloth over there.
Swear? Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I need to tag my sister in that one.
I think they're all the type of sloth. Or nah, they're gibbon. Whatever the fuck that is. Jeez, swing it out, swing it out. Enjoy life. Oh, they're fully scoffing.
How come one of those is in there?
Jeez, how you mean? What is that? Oh. Wow. Like a white person says it to you, it's a racist. But if you say it to yourself, it's fine.
I have fun.
Black people are lost.
I don't understand. Why is it off though?
But you can't have all of them together.
Why not?
Be a riot.
No.
Jeez, how you mean? Jeez, look at him. Jeez, how you mean? Not red. Right, they have a break it, then they go off again. Come on, you lot burn out my battery. Jeez, look at him go. How you mean? How you mean? How you stand? Yo. Oh, where's he coming to do? Laffy goes in here and they just.
Oh no, it's like toast.
And they punch him up. Jeez, look at him. He's gone. I didn't come here to see him.